Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to use these curl formers that I bought off eBay a few years ago, and I use them to achieve this look on my wig. So let's get started. So when you buy your curl formers, they're going to come with a hook. It's going to be a long stick with a hook on it. It's going to look like a crochet hook, and then your curl formers. So what you do is you put the hook inside the curl former. And I don't think I have a very clear view of how to do this, so you're just going to have to watch the video. But you insert the hook all the way into the curl former, and then you twist the hair just a little bit to fit it onto the hook. Pull the curl former all the way to the top of the hair, and then pull the hook out, and then the hair will follow it into the curl former. And then the curl former curls back up, obviously, and the hair is stuck in there. Now, I like this method because it is heatless, so even though this is a wig, you can also do this on natural hair. Whether your hair is straight or curly, it will work. And it's just super simple. Like I said, it's heatless, so there's no excess damage going to be done to your hair. And to wet this wig down, I'm just using a combination of water and conditioner mixed in a spray bottle. So once again, you're going to put the stick with the hook on the end onto the hair, twist the hair, put it like that, pull the curl former all the way up to where the hair is, and then pull the hook through the curl former, and that's what you should wind up with. So, like I said, unfortunately I don't have a slowed down clip for you, but hopefully you're getting the gist of it by watching the video. So I'm going to shut up now so you can watch it, and then at the end of the video I'm going to show you what the hair looks like after you take the curl formers out. After I applied all the curl formers, of course I had to let the hair dry, and the hair takes longer to dry because they are encased in these plastic tubes. So for this wig I allowed it to dry for 2 days. Now if you're doing this on your natural hair, obviously you can't be wearing these for 2 days, so you can sit under a dryer and that will make them dry quicker, or you can apply these to dampened hair instead of soaking wet hair, and of course your hair will dry quick that way too. So in order to remove the curl formers, all you do is just pull them out of the hair. That's all you do, and you wind up with these beautiful Shirley Temple curls. And in order to get these to stay for a couple of days, I sprayed them down with a little bit of the Garnier Fructis Flexible Hold. And once again, since this is a wig, the curls stayed in for a long time. If it's your natural hair, I definitely suggest using the hairspray to keep the curls looking nice, and you might have to maybe pin curl them at night to keep body in your hair. But that's pretty much it. And then of course I used a comb to comb out the curls, and that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, leave a like and a comment. See you guys later. Bye!